Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, your guide on the journey through Stoic philosophy and practical living. Today, let's dive into the wisdom from day 23 of our exploration. We're talking about money and what it really means in our lives. A profound topic discussed by the great Seneca and echoed by modern writers like F. Scott Fitzgerald and Ernest Hemingway. Seneca, a wealthy man himself, tells us, "How often do wealthy people resemble the less affluent? When embarking on long journeys, they are forced to limit themselves to small luggage, and sometimes, especially if they need to speed up their journey, they have to send their entourage home, dispensing with the crowd of attendants." What Seneca illustrates here is a practical truth. Regardless of wealth, certain realities bind us all. Take a wealthy person embarking on a trip, a scenario we might find relatable. Despite their opulence, they must limit themselves to essentials, just like anyone else. And if urgency strikes, they can't afford the luxury of carrying extra baggage, often needing to simplify their entourage, reducing to minimal necessities. Isn't that a potent reminder that, at our core, we all share similar constraints? Seneca continues, "How much of their property do they take with them when going on duty?" Here we see the stark reality that material wealth can only go so far. Your wealth might grant you comfort and convenience, but it doesn't accompany you in every endeavor or solve all your problems. Let's bring in some modern context here. F. Scott Fitzgerald, in his works like The Great Gatsby, often romanticized the lives of the extremely wealthy. He famously wrote, "Let me tell you about the very rich. They are different from you and me." This line creates an image of the wealthy as almost otherworldly. But Hemingway, in his straightforward style, countered this notion with, "Yes, they have more money." Hemingway's retort cuts through the mystique, grounding us in the reality that fundamentally, the rich grapple with the same human conditions and limitations as everyone else. Seneca's insights remind us that money doesn't radically change one's life in the ways we often imagine. It can buy physical comfort, but it can't purchase mental peace or protect us from life's inherent struggles. This is a crucial lesson. Don't view wealth as a panacea for life's challenges. Instead, focus on the inner work, the cultivation of resilience, self-discipline, and tranquility. Consider our own lives. How often have we caught ourselves thinking, "If only I had more money, all my problems would disappear"? Yet time and again, we see that external prosperity does not resolve internal woes. Intrinsically, we remain the same, facing the same emotional and personal battles. This is why true change must come from within, not through possessions. As Hemingway observed about Fitzgerald, he thought the rich were a special race, wrapped in a mist of mystery, and when he found out that they were not, it broke him as much as anything else. When we buy into the illusion that wealth transforms our very nature, we set ourselves up for disappointment. Instead, let's embrace the Stoic perspective. Wealth is indifferent. It neither guarantees happiness nor shields us from life's trials. So, what takeaways can we apply today? First, reassess your relationship with wealth. Understand that money is a tool, not a solution. Seek growth in areas that build your inner strength and resilience. Second, simplify your life. Like the wealthy traveler who must reduce their baggage, shedding unnecessary burdens can lead to greater speed and clarity in your journey. Lastly, focus on what you can control, your thoughts, actions, and responses to situations. External circumstances, including wealth, are often beyond our control. Remember, friends, true wealth lies in the strength of our character and the tranquility of our minds. Let's continue to cultivate these attributes together, navigating the complexities of modern life with grace and resilience. If you found this insightful, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, stay stoic and stay strong.